Hi, my name is Abby, and I want to talk to you about something. It's about me and my family, and other kids and other families like ours. We had a lot of days that were long, and I was really tired. We had a lot of scary days too. You know, there were nights where we didn't have a place to sleep. My mommy tried hard, but sometimes it just wasn't enough for my sister and me. We'd sleep in our car, all of us squeezed in tight with long rides. Mommy never told me where we were going. I remember feeling scared and not knowing why we couldn't go home. And sometimes, we'd go to places with lots of other people. But it was like they were really loud and scary. And it was so hard to sleep. I missed it. I missed having my own room and my own toys. It was tough for my mommy and my sister too. Mommy worried a lot. She tried to hide it, but I could tell. She would say things would get better, but sometimes I felt like she was just saying it to make me feel better. But then something amazing happened. We found Vogel. It's like a special place. They helped us a lot. They helped us feel safe and loved. And they helped my mommy so she could be the best mom ever. And we would never, ever have to live in the car again, or those other scary places. And they gave us food, lots of food, and clothes, clean clothes. And they made me feel happy. At Vogel, they help kids like me, lots and lots of them. And they have nice teachers who teach us new things and help us learn. I like going to school at Vogel. It is so fun. And because my mommy gets to go to school too, she's learning how to get a job. And she might even go to big people's school they call college. They have people who listen when we feel sad. And they make us feel happy. Vogel is a safe place where we can play and have fun. Vogel is like a big family, and we help each other all the time. And guess what? It happened. It really happened. Vogel helped my mommy find us a house. So I now have my own room with my own bed and with my own toys, and my family has a real home. Thank you, Vogel, for helping my family. We will never forget you. And I might be back for summer camp. I can't wait. I'm Abby, and I hope you can help other kids like me find hope. Giving to Vogel can help change things for other mommies and for kids like me. Thank you for listening to me and hearing about my family. I hope you can help Vogel make more happy endings for more families.